Book reports are a valuable tool for assessing students' understanding of independent reading, but writing report after report can become boring for students, and reading them can be equally tedious for educators. Fortunately, there are a plethora of alternative methods to accomplish the same goal. Today, we are going to talk about the Book Trailer Project. This is a great alternative to book reports. The Book Trailer Project is a digital storytelling activity for middle school and high school students. It can easily be done individually or in small groups. Students take the key idea from a book and create a short video that persuades people to check out the book they have read. Book trailers help students to summarize, synthesize, and analyze books. Students create a movie trailer that includes their analysis. Having students create book trailers is also a great way to incorporate technology in the classroom and encourage reading. Creating book trailers helps students generate questions before, during, and after reading to deepen understanding and gain information. It helps students create mental images and make connections to personal experiences and ideas. Students learn to synthesize information and create new understanding, and it is a great tool to monitor comprehension. The Book Trailer Project can guide students in retaining, paraphrasing, and summarizing text in ways that maintain meaning and in a logical order. There are many different websites that we can utilize to create book trailers. Today we're going to discuss Animoto. Animoto is a website that allows students to create video presentations. They have a variety of different templates to choose from, or you can create one from scratch. So the first thing you'll do is go to animoto.com, and then you're going to create your account. They have different pricing options: basic, professional, and professional plus. We are using the free version. The difference between the free version and the paid versions is that you get to utilize their Animoto's pictures and short videos. But honestly, there are so many options online that you don't really need to utilize their pictures. You can go to Pics for Learning. You can have your students go to Pixaboy. You can have them go to Pexels, or you can even have them utilize their own pictures that they have their personal collection. So after we've created our account, we're going to create our video. Before creating your video, I would encourage your students to kind of put their thoughts in order, kind of think about what they want to do, get their pictures together or their short videos and put them in a folder. So then once you get into Animoto, you just create your actual video and you have all the pictures you need. Now, as you're creating, you want to add more pictures. You can always add more pictures. So I'll show you how to do that. They do recommend templates, or you can start from scratch. The Charlotte's Web Animoto trailer that you saw was created using the book report template. So they're pretty simple. You click on whichever one you want to do. I'm going to go with this one. Hit choose template. I'm going to skip this for now. And then that brings you to your template that they're giving you. Over here is the options for using their pictures, which with the free version, again, you won't really have that many options, and most of your students probably aren't going to utilize those. So go to Project, click to drag and drop. So I already created a folder with all the pictures that I wanted, so I'm just going to bring them all over here. Now that I have all my photos that I chose over here in my project bar, I can start moving them to where I want. Now here you can change the writing. You can move it, you can shrink it, you can change the color. So there's multiple things you can do. You can change the ratio, so if I want to make it square, I could scale my picture down. Put that back that way. I can change the theme if I want. There's different themes, and these are all free. They're included. Okay, so Now we're going to go through our slides and update our slides. You can change the amount of time you want your slides to appear in your final project. You can also add additional slides, so you don't have to just stick with what they give you. You can add additional things if you'd like. And you can add your pictures, you can add text, you can change the color of the text, you can change the background. So your options are endless. You do have a lot of options. And then once we're done, you export it. After you export it, you could download it, share it, or copy the link. To download it, you have to have a membership, a paid membership, so we're not going to download it, but we can share it. You can share it to Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, so we're going to share it to YouTube. So once we downloaded it, we can now go back in here and view our video. So this is the one we just did. This is one that I created from scratch. And then this is the Charlotte's Web one, which you've watched already. So we'll look at this one. And you see this one's 37 seconds. You can make them as long as you want, as short as you want. I think these are good alternatives for book reports because it does make the students read the book. It makes them think about what they're reading. It has them organize their thoughts in pictures and visuals. You know, they can write whatever they want on here. They can use quotes from the book. They can use their own quotes. They can use their own pictures. So I think it's just an imaginative, creative way to create something, you know, to help show that they understand what they're reading. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching my video. And I hope that one day you will all want to utilize Animoto. It is fun. I did enjoy doing it. Thank you.